Okay guys, here's my latest watch face for under Wear OS watches and Samsung watches like the Samsung Galaxy Watch or Samsung Gear watches, for example. This watch face is made in Watchmaker, so you need to own the Watchmaker app to be able to send the watch face to your watch. And please also check which watches the Watchmaker app supports. I am only a watch face designer, so I am not any watchmaker support guy or anything else. So if you have problems sending the watch face to your watch, then check out watchmaker support forums. Because I only have a Huawei watch, the first, like this one. So I don't know how to send watches from a Samsung watch, for example. But I design watch faces and I have over 60 watch faces on my site. You can find links down below in the description text where to download them and so on. And you also find links down below on how you install these watch faces. You can also see a video on how to install these watch faces. And as usual, I have some built-in features in this watch face. Like for example, my weather station like this, that you can click on at the top of the watch face to be able to see the weather and much more information. And you have also 7 steps of dimming down below here. You don't see the dim so good in this light in my studio, but you can dim the watch face in 7 steps. Like that. As you can see, really dark. You can do that manually, and as you can see, the second hand, when not dimmed, is moving, but when it gets dimmed, it shows the battery life, and the battery life goes down when you have used it. So now it's about 99% of battery life or so. So when the watch face is dimmed, you see the battery life. And you also have some automatic dim. When the sun goes down, the watch face gets 30% dimmed automatically, and when the sun goes up again, it gets to normal. And this watch face is called IWC Big Pilot's Heritage. It's a pilot watch face for pilots during the Second World War. So it's a really nice watch face, I think. Now you can only see the minutes watch because the hour watch hand is below it, but that's not my fault because the time is now 11 minutes past 2. So, but again, you find links down below where you can download and install this watch face. Go check that out. Bye.